Stick around to find your next favorite flip phone. We are counting down the 3 best flip phones launched in 2024. Please support us by hitting the subscribe button. Let's dive in. Kicking off our list is the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 6. This beauty features a 6.7-inch AMOLED main display and a 3.4-inch sub-display, both running at a smooth 120Hz refresh rate. The camera setup includes a 50MP main sensor, 12MP ultrawide, and a 10MP selfie shooter. Powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, it packs 12GB RAM and 256GB storage. Plus, its 4000 mAh battery supports 25 watts fast charging. Next is the Motorola Razr Plus. Boasting a massive 6.9-inch OLED main display and a 4-inch sub-display with a stunning 165Hz refresh rate. It's powered by the Snapdragon 8S Gen 3, paired with 12GB RAM and 256GB storage. The dual 50MP rear cameras and a 32MP front camera promise outstanding photos. It also offers 45 watts wired and 15 watts wireless charging for its 4000 mAh battery. The Xiaomi Mix Flip is a powerhouse. With a 6.86-inch AMOLED main display and a 4.01-inch sub-display, both supporting 120Hz refresh rates, it's equipped with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, up to 16GB RAM, and 1TB storage. The 50MP dual rear cameras and 32MP selfie camera ensure crystal clear shots. With a 4780 mAh battery and 67 watts fast charging, this phone is a productivity beast. These flip phones redefine innovation and style for 2024. Which one is your pick? Tell us in the comments, and don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more tech updates.